In this video, we are going to learn how we can set up our first iOS project. So the basic requirement for setting up the project, we need Xcode, the IDE for developing iOS apps, and the basic knowledge of Swift programming language. I'm assuming you already know the basics of any programming language like if-else, loops, variable constant, etc. You can easily download the Xcode from App Store. Just click on App Store on your Mac and search for Xcode. Sorry about that. So I have already downloaded the Xcode. Just click on Xcode. At the very beginning, we have three options. Get started with Playground, create a new Xcode project, clone an existing project. A playground is a special type of Xcode file, or you can say development environment, where you can learn the basics of Swift programming language or even the basic concept of iOS like UI kit, etc. But we will talk that about later. And the second option is create a new Xcode project. And this is the option we are going to use in this project. And the third one is clone an existing project. But for using this option, you need to know the basics of Git, which we will cover in some other video. But for now, we just simply click on create a new Xcode project. After clicking on creating a new project, it will prompt you a small window with the title of choose a template for your new project. It is basically asking you what kind of device you are going to use for this application. We will just simply select iOS for now. And there are some application category like single view application, game, augmented reality app, etc. But we will go with single view application for now and click on next. After clicking on next, you need to provide some basic information for your project like project name, team name, organization name, and bundle identifier. This is very important because in future when you use third-party libraries like Google Map, Facebook SDK, this will be the unique ID to recognize or identify your app from thousands and lakhs of apps from the App Store. Then we have language. We have two options, Swift and Objective-C. Objective-C is very old now. No one use Objective-C, I guess, at the moment. So we'll just select Swift for now. And then we have user interface. Again, we have two options, Swift UI and Storyboard. Swift UI is very new. We'll just stick with Storyboard for now and provide our product name or project name. I'll write first iOS project and click on next, create. After setting up the project, we will have some default classes on the left hand side of the project like app delegate, scene delegate, view controller, main.storyboard, assets, all these. We will discuss all these things maybe in some other video, but now we will just focus on main.storyboard. So this is the place where you can put label, button, background color of the screen, whatever you like to. And so we will just now build and run. And after running it on simulator, we should see a blank white screen like that. So if you want to change this color from white to any other, you just simply go to main.storyboard and on the right hand side you will see attribute inspector where you have all the properties of that controller. So just click on background color, change it to any. I'll go with red color and again build and run. Now you should see a red background color of that screen like that. So that's it. Hope you learned something new today. Thanks.